Culture is often overlooked in interpretation encounters, when in fact it truly is an essential component that can help build or break trust and improve or create barriers in communication. Interpreters must strive to develop awareness of the cultures encountered in the performance of interpreting duties. This means that the interpreter strives to understand the cultures associated with the languages they interpret, including the educational culture, and represents the non-speaker of that language in the most culturally appropriate manner possible. This could mean, for example, learning about the grading system and school requirements of countries where the students' or the parents' language is spoken. The interpreter must alert all parties to any significant cultural misunderstanding that arises. For example, if a teacher recommends that a student who is fasting for religious reasons eat a good breakfast before testing, an interpreter may call attention to the potential conflict. Or if a parent uses an expression or saying that, when interpreted literally, may result in a misunderstanding, the interpreter must intervene to provide cultural context before proceeding. It is very important, however, that interpreters share cultural context with the understanding that their insight does not reflect that of the entire population. Generalizations about specific cultures, values, or behaviors may lead to stereotypes and preconceptions about the family or the community in general. One of the easiest ways to practice cultural humility and demonstrate respect for our colleagues, families, and educators is to be aware of our nonverbal communication and our body language. Oftentimes, when families are in the process of acquiring English, they are more keenly aware of a person's body language. Keeping track of our expressions and mannerisms can ensure that we communicate the same messages that we are relaying verbally. Are we being welcoming? Are we prejudging a family or an educator who we work with? What are we really saying with our nonverbal communication?